Going to show you how to install Teracopy, actually using Spartan on Windows 10. So just Google search Teracopy. It's a great program I like to use. Gives you information when you're copying things, so you know what's happening with your copy information. So looks a lot like Internet Explorer. I'll show my downloads here. It's downloading, so we can click on that to install it. Yes, and continue. You have to accept the terms. Yes, I'll accept it. Install it. Sure, I'll have a desktop icon, and that version, the regular desktop version, is good. So continue and launch. So this is what it looks like. Not really how you wouldn't really open it this way. It's a little more confusing, but okay. So I've got two file folders up here. I'm just gonna plain copy it, and this is how it will regularly come up. So I'm gonna drag it over here. Yes, I'd like to copy. And if you like Teracopy, you can click this to choose one. And if you change your mind, you can always go into a control panel of default programs to change back to Windows Explorer. But I usually just choose, because with the smaller, less important things, it's not really a big deal. That one's small, so it didn't really give us much information, but on this it will. So now it's copying, and you have the option to pause if you want to look through what it's done. See, like some of them say file read. It's not. It's a file folder that it's copied. You can skip certain things. Nice thing is you can tell it to close. If you don't, green means it will follow that. I always let it close, and then because it'll tell you to close too, and then it'll actually, if you click this, it'll go through and transfer it. And I'll say eject this drive, because this is an external drive when it's done. And then you can even shut down your computer. Wouldn't really recommend that because it's not the normal way, but to each his own. So then we'll continue, and then we'll look at it once it's done. Another thing, you can go to the menu here, and some options, always on top, preferences. You can have it play a sound. It's a little annoying, but then you know, hey, it's done. Yeah, and I would say always test after the copy, so you know it's done. It got it all. Those are probably the only options you really need to worry about. Maybe this one I would always keep on, but and then yes, that's going to be the default one. So it's almost done here, and then we'll see it start to copy. Test the copy. That's saying that apparently it can't eject my drive. That's fine. But you can see that the test went through. It would tell you there was an error, and this, it would not be a check mark. It actually would be red. So you can scroll through. I'm sure the Pro version is a little better, but this works enough for me. So yeah, that's Teracopy. Sometimes it's slow, sometimes it skips things, doesn't work as great as you might think, but would definitely use the Windows 8 copier over this, but this is a little more trusting to me than the Windows 7. So yeah, that's Teracopy.